In this video, I'm just going to walk you through how to install the Buyline integration inside of WooCommerce. So here on the left, I have a test setup of WooCommerce, and here on the right, I'm logged in to the portal on Buyline. So you should have been issued your access to Buyline's portal, and you should already have your WordPress website at this point. It's worth noting that on the right, I'm logged into the staging. There is two different environments, one which is staging for testing, and one which is production for when you're ready to go live. So on the left-hand side here, I have WordPress. I'm just going to add a new plugin, and you should have received the plugin. So I'm going to select the file which you would have received, and then I'm going to just press install. You'll see it wants me to activate it. And then you'll see that you get a message here saying that you need to license it. So if you just click here, it will take you into the payments tab inside of WooCommerce, which you may already be familiar with. And I'm just going to pop my license key into there. You've got a few options at the top, just whether you want to enable the option or not, which obviously you do if you want to integrate it. You've also got the ability to sync the webhook automatically into Buyline. So this just means you avoid manual setup of the webhook. So we're going to leave that ticked. You can set the title of how it shows on the checkout and also any description. And then it just asks us for a few more fields, which are really easy to complete. So this is where we jump over to the right-hand side. We go to API keys, and we just need to generate a key. So we'll call this WooCommerce. And this has now generated the necessary keys that we need. So if we click this, we just pop that into the client ID. If we click this, we just pop that into the API key. And then we also need the webhook secret, which we pop into there. So nice and simple, just 3 keys for the different aspects required. And then optionally, you can include a URL to your logo if you want that to be passed through to Buyline, which would show on the checkout. But for the purpose of this, I'm just going to leave that. And because I am using the staging environment over here, I just need to tick that box and then press Save Changes. That all goes through. That's sent off a request in the background to the Buyline system to set the webhook up for you as well. So you're now ready to go. Just before I show you the front end, I'm just going to show you the payments tab as well, just because you'll possibly be familiar with this. So Buyline essentially includes itself as just a typical payment option. So you can use all the ordering and all of them things which you'd normally be used to, and then you can just manage to click in. Obviously, normally this fits on the screen a little better. I've just made 2 small windows to help with the demo today, but in the real world, you should absolutely be fine. And then if I now visit the front end of the website, and if I go to my basket, you can see I've got a few different shoes and glasses in there. And then if I go to continue checkout, you can now see that the Buyline option shows there. And then if I click place order, now end up inside of the Buyline environment with the order passed through, and I can start the checkout and it's pulled through all the things I hope to order. And then anyone can just go through the normal steps as normal. And then because it set up the webhook as well, once everything is complete, it will send us notifications back of the various outcomes, and that'll be automatically updated inside of WooCommerce itself. I hope this was useful.